So right now, take the action, my dear friends. Yes, my dear friends, you can just watch out. This is what Himalayas, my dear friends. I am exactly at 6 a.m. on the terrace, and you can just watch out here how much fog you can see. You cannot even see the you cannot see the mountains also and trees also. Here, my dear friends, I thought of sharing a wonderful lesson with you all. That is, dear friends, in our life also it is just like a fog, right? We don't know what is the next step we have to take. What will going to happen with us? What is going to happen with us? We don't know about that. But one thing I would like to surely tell you, that whenever you start walking in the fog, the road will be closed like the same way. But when you start walking, one by one step, when you start taking, if you are in a car, if you are if you are traveling in a car, if you switch on the headlights, then slowly, if you take one by one step, then the road will be slowly clear, and you can just go on, my dear friends. What I would like to tell you exactly is, like the same way in your life, you don't know exactly how to reach that point, how to get successful in that point, my dear friends. But very important thing is, start taking the steps towards your vision. Whatever might be your vision, whatever you are thinking to become in your life, just take steps towards that. If you want to become an engineer, you have to take the steps towards becoming an engineer. If you want to become an actor, you have to take the steps towards becoming an actor, right? Like the same way, if you want to become a life guru, you have to take a small steps every day to become a life guru, to teach the people, to teach the whole country and the whole world, my dear friends, to guide the whole world. So exactly the same way how I am doing, I am taking the daily steps, right? I am making some sort of reels, some sort of videos for you people, for the benefit of you people, so that you can watch out these videos and you can get guidance for your life and you can succeed. Like the same way, my dear friends, I would like to add here, please start taking action from today. Whatever it might be, my dear friends, you have to take the action from right now, because life is in the present moment, not in the coming future, nor it was in the past. It is exactly in the present. So right now, take the action, my dear friends.